Act up. To behave badly or not work properly. Example: my computer is acting up again. Brush off. To ignore or dismiss something or someone. Example: he brushed off her suggestion during the meeting. Back up. To support someone or something. Example: can you back me up in the argument? Cut off. To interrupt or stop something from continuing. Example: the power was cut off during the storm. Die out. To disappear or become extinct. Example: dinosaurs died out millions of years ago. Knuckle down. To start working hard. Example: you need to knuckle down before the exams. Go through. To experience something. Example: she went through a tough time after the breakup. Quarrel over. To argue about something. Example: they quarreled over the last slice of pizza. Hit on. To flirt. Example: he was hitting on her at the party. Enter into. To start something, formal or serious. Example: they entered into a new business agreement. Fall apart. Lose control emotionally. Example: after the breakup, she fell apart emotionally. Lay off. To stop employing someone. Example: the company laid off 200 workers. Name after. To give someone a name in honor of someone else. Example: she was named after her grandmother. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.